man, say man, that's the other day, man. You know who it is, you know who it ain't. We back again with another video for time. But nah, fool. I gotta just show y'all where we at before I say something about it. Ooh. Gotta go the hard route. Ooh. I'm gonna fail already, but. Hey man, say man. What's up, man?
Look, Cameron.
Damn, you getting out. Look, Cameron. What's up, man?
What's the word?
Hey man, say let me go to wrong. Hey man, say man, look, let me show y'all. Let me show. Oh yeah, go on, get your ass back. Let me show y'all something, boy. Let me show you. Ooh. All right, let me not get too close, cause I'm gonna start tweaking. But boy, you ain't even seen nothing yet. Wait till I get to the other side. The good side, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all finna see it.
That's a beautiful world.
Oh yeah. Y'all see the ledge? Let me go around. I told you this the side.
I feel like Simba. This your first time up here, boo? I ain't never been here.
Bro, it's this the side right here.
We go all the way up and down the ditch.
Literally. But no, this is beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. I got your head in the camera, my boy. My fault. Oh, I got bit by another bug. Ew. 1080p. Look at it. 1080p. Oh, let me not. Oh, 1080p. Y'all see this? Hey man, say man. Hey man, say man. This shit's delightful. Hey, if y'all can see this shit in person, real lifetime, but this shit look perfect. Hey man, say man, not the other day, man. Look, we finna start a new series. We finna talk about hiking every day. So we finna have, I'm gonna do our episodes like episode 1, Red Bluff. Oh, it's not. Go. Damn. I mean, we all running different routes. That shit fun as hell. Hold on. This shit really fun. Parker! Come on. We're really chasing the train. Oh, hello. My fault.
I'm about to see what we call crazy, man.
You want me to follow you?
You can. Hold on. You going park or we staying right here? Yeah, we going down.
Fuck it.
Speaker.
Oh, hold on. I touched the train though. I bet y'all ain't touched. Oh. Hello, I can't. Hello. Wait.
I got this one.
Get out! Oh, it started acting wonky. I bet y'all didn't touch the train though. Yeah. Oh shit. Hello. I still. Parker. Get in.
You want me to record it? I'm supposed to record. You gotta run with it though. You just can't catch.
Oh man. I told him to run with that bitch.
Y'all more lost like this. You gotta run with it, kid.
Hey, as many times I've been to this bitch, I ain't never seen the train come through.
That shit crazy. That shit live.
You and me, listen. Look, you and me.
It been long as fuck. Hey, we down there could have caught a ride on this bitch.
Okay, this long as hell. This the end?
Yeah. Don't touch the tracks yet though. That shit might still be on.
Y'all seen what I did. Y'all saw me jump down a hill to catch onto a train. Like, I'm tired. My knees. My knees. All right, cool.
We had to catch that bitch. That bitch stopping too.
Oh, my knee.
I want to see where that bitch go to. Look down there.
You got it. Oh, my knees. All right, cool. Oh, shit, that hurt. Hey, Blue. We still moving. Hey, look, don't worry about it. When you tell them what
Sometimes you gotta find your own passageway in life. You know, God will give you footsteps. The devil will try to distract you, but God will give you footsteps.
Woozy Bands, where are you going? Woozy Bands.
I'm on the railroad.
Hey, man.
A railroad.
Yeah.
On a deep.
In the what? In the what? In the what? Oh. I've been running. Ever since. It's been a long time coming.
But I know.
Parker. What's gonna come? God damn it. I was showing you like damn. Hey, look, they say trains don't exist around these parts.
Shitting me.
Nah,
I ain't never seen no train come through this bitch.
nah, for real though.
That's a heart right there.
You good, my boy?
Nah, it was sweat, man.
This is who? I see. Oh, that, you talking about the tree? I see it at the top. It's been a long time coming, but I know. Oh, what that is? What the hell?
This is it. We stumbled upon a foreign exchange object as my comrade Parker goes to see what. Behold. Be careful.
Hey.
About half a mile back, I seen a real form.
No. I miss you. I gotta get blinked out.
I don't think you see the inside of this shit. This shit cold as hell. I'm like,
My fault. They done had a wreck over here. They wrecked the fuck out there. How you get in that bitch? Hold on, let me see.
you got to climb on top of
I
it
know.
and then get up in there.
This bitch raw. I'm gonna come on top of that one. Boy, what? White folks in suits start coming up.
I ain't never been to the water side before.
I haven't either. I'm not
It's
tweaking.
right there. We just gotta get over there.
Shh.
Man, I bet they be getting the motherfuckers from the jail to clear all them damn rocks from this motherfucker. Be like, clear every damn rock from this motherfucker, or else y'all ass ain't getting no damn commissary this week. Your ass is grass. You hear me? Leroy? That's Leroy right there. About showing the gun line, boss. Showing that gun line. Showing the gun line.
Hey, Elton, you might want to quit that shit, but I hear you.
And white people can't tell it.
I can't tell him. I don't think I should tell him.
I don't think you should tell them. Because if we tell white people the secret, they'll be shooting there. They wouldn't know how to act. The world would end.
I heard something too, Parker. God damn it. I tell you what.
White people to shoot your way. You on my damn property, boy? No, I am not.
Let's get going there too. We don't want to upset the.
I done ran into some of them types down here already. I ain't trying to run no more.
Hey y'all, I'm just saying now. I think the fact that they had no trespassing on an unused railroad should tell you what that is. The white folks got a presidential operation going on. Y'all they don't take this shit serious. I don't want you to hear me. But come on, come on. Before they come down here to see you. And I don't want that to happen. I'm trying to live. But them niggas trying to stop it.
When the water is brought to thee, he shall drink. When water is brought to thee. He shall drink.
Man.
He shall drink.
Hallelujah.
What? No more.
What they say?
Where?
And you shall thirst no more.
That's good. That's great water for him. Great water for him.
That's that high quality H2O.
H2O. Cause that right there.
Yeah.
Over there in that far distance right there, your ass drink there, your ass is grass. Your ass is through. I'm talking about.
They like drinking.
Check my boy legs out though. Check my boy legs out. He putting out real work out here. This shit real life.
You kind of did. I can't cap. I slid down his ass. No homo.
Yeah.
Chill out. Ah!
That guy there. I'm still recording.
Oh shit.
I ain't never stopped, motherfucker.
Let me tell y'all.
Forever rolling.
Oh, forever rolling. Every clip gets used. Every angle gets bossed. And every bitch gets fucked. Thank you.
Not every bitch. You know, these bitches be tripping, brother. These bitches be out here.
He's not lying.
These bitches
These
be
bitches are
having.
shiesty.
Parker, we found a place to wash our ass tonight. Our asses shall be washed. Ah! Look at how people went down. For real. This is shit. Hey, what you say right there? This people.
Him. Look at this nigga.
At least on my camera. But we've been on the triad, the line. I'm about to say triad. I don't know what the fuck that is. But we here. Beautiful. Like what? I'm finna get up there right quick. I'm pretty good. I don't know what y'all talking about. These blood ass beard. Blueberry fire. But no. I ain't licking my hands. Who back? Get back on what we're doing. Woo walking. Watch the focus, y'all did this shit already. Where we going to?
To the yellow.
I can do this one.
Yep.
There you go.
You see where it's falling down? I think you got like to the middle of the yellow.
Damn.
Middle of the yellow type shit. You get like to the top.
We're going on the adventure, y'all.
I'm gonna leave my bag down here though, I ain't gonna lie. No, I'm not. Let go, woo. Low cap. Let go. I ain't gonna lie. I'm using my thing to help me get up. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta crawl up there, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. Well. Huh? Okay. Yes. We gotta go down? Which way?
We're gonna go down and come back up this way. We can't get up there in this mountain.
It's another jump?
Yeah, go. You probably come this way.
How's the water? I am one tired fat bitch. Corky, mate. We're still in the wilderness. Looking for a bag. But no. Lord. They up ahead of me. I was taking pictures. They up there. I'm doing parkour with the camera in my hand. This ain't no GoPro. This ain't no GoPro. Boy, I'm hungry here. I'm finna eat me a chicken sandwich.
Ooh. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it.
Hey y'all, we just got done with the hike, fool. We all just goddamn getting all this goddamn dirt off of it. And yeah, you feel me? Niggas tired, fool. Niggas over cleaning their shoes. Niggas using hand soap to clean themselves off. I'm niggas. What the oh Lord, bugs.
But that one I needed you.
And look. Look these goddamn socks off. Ooh,
Damn.
Lord.
That's
That's what I said. Hey,
bend over, come around me like your rover.
we done now, but y'all saw that crystal head toe.
Mm-hmm.
And we got a story to tell y'all for real. Tell us. I don't know if it's cap or not, but we were climbing goddamn shit. Goddamn.
Sand everywhere and
Got
shit.
sand that way. We climbed goddamn 3 mountains to find a phone that wasn't even a phone.
Yeah.
Parker,
Parker,
if you don't get the cash,
get
that's how we know
that cash out.
that's how we know it's cap or not. If you don't get that cash up, it's
She'll
cap.
get that cash out pulling up on my ass.
Durr. And she told us her Facebook.
Gotta get that cash out, cause she had my boy almost risking his life for that motherfucker.
Goddamn. But no, bud. It's been a good day. Let me see. How y'all feel, bud? How y'all boys feel?
I feel accomplished, man. I ain't get bit by no bugs, no animals. I ain't died. So, achievement for me, you know.
Hey, and y'all, if y'all enjoy this video, where should we go next? You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, we in Mississippi. It's Red Bluff, Mississippi. Goddamn. Send a local spot if it's fire. If it's fire, we may end up there. Hey.